Yeah, a little dark. Let's go to Iron Mountain, Michigan, and catch this train. Not too many places to choose from where I got light to actually see the train as it goes by. Some pretty good lights off this building. I think we're gonna film her right here. Something tells me this train is not very long either. There's a rare occasion. Somebody just blew out in front of it and they honked. Wow. And that is the exact reason why they want to close 5 crossings downtown. And from what I heard, the city's fighting it. They don't want to close 5 crossings. But with this continuous problem, people trying to race the train, beating it, yeah, I just learned that the other day. The railroad wants to close 5 crossings downtown, or they might start just blowing the horn again. I'd be okay with that, would you? Not very long at all. Why would you race that and try to beat it? Off into the darkness. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and make a comment below. How close do you think that was?